Hi students, a warm good morning to all. In the previous classes we already learned the first lesson of our English main course, the swing. Okay, I hope you all are understood that lesson and kindly complete the copy works. Okay, so students, today I am going to teach you the second lesson of our English main course, that is lesson number 2, Chiku and Jumri. Lesson number 2, Chiku and Jumri. Okay, this lesson tells the story of two friends named Chiku and Jumri. Okay, this is a short story and this story tells us how true friendship is greater than all things. How true friendship is greater than all things. Okay, so the main characters of the story are Chiku and Jumri. Okay, Chiku and Jumri. Chiku is a monkey and Jumri is a small goat. Okay, Chiku is a monkey and Jumri is a small goat. So students, I will explain this lesson in short. Okay, so this story goes like this. Chiku monkey was sitting on top of a tree and he is eating bananas. Okay, devouring. Okay, devouring means eating fastly. So he is eating bananas and he finished one and he threw the peel down. He finished one banana and he threw the peel down and he started on the next banana. Okay, suddenly he noticed a small goat eating the peel he had already thrown. Okay, and Jumri, the god name was Jumri. Okay, the god name was Jumri. So Chiku liked the god and he climbed down the tree and spoke to the god. Okay, he climbed down the tree and spoke to the god, and whose name was Jumri. Whose name was? Yes, Jumri. Whose name was Jumri. The two became the best friends. Okay, the two became best friends. Okay students, very often Chiku takes Jumri to a house, okay, which had a big jackfruit tree. So very often Chiku takes Jumri to a house, okay, which had a big jackfruit tree. Okay, Jumri would wait outside the house nearby the wall and Chiku climbed the tree and break the leaves and throw the leaves down for Jumri, because Jumri was loved jackfruit leaves. So Chiku climbed the tree and breaks the leaves and throw the leaves down for Jumri, because Jumri loves jackfruit leaves. Okay, clear? So Chiku and Jumri are the main characters of the story. Chiku is a monkey and Jumri is a small goat. Okay, clear? Okay, a few days later, the two friends are visited the end of the town. The two friends are visited the end of the town. Okay, a crowd gathered there. A crowd, a group of people gathered there. Okay, suddenly a lady gave some bananas to Chiku. Okay, suddenly a lady offered some banana to Chiku. Okay, and others are also followed the same. That time Chiku was surprised. Okay, so suddenly a lady offered some bananas to Chiku and others are also followed the same. That time Chiku was surprised. Okay, why they are offered bananas? Because it was the temple of Lord Rama. Okay, it was the temple of Lord Rama, and Chiku belongs to the family of God Hanuman. Chiku belongs to the family of Lord Hanuman. Okay, Hanuman was the monkey god. Hanuman was a monkey god, and he was also the follower of Lord Rama. So that's why the people were paying more respect to Hanuman. Okay, so Chiku belongs to the family of Lord Hanuman. Okay, clear? So one day the two friends are visited the end of the town. So that time some peoples are gathered together, and suddenly a lady offered some banana to Chiku, and others are also followed the same. Okay, that time Chiku was surprised because it was the temple of Lord Rama. Chiku belongs to the family of Hanuman, and the people were paying respect to Hanuman. That's why they are offered so much banana to Chiku. Okay, clear? Okay, students. So people offered Chiku some bananas because he belonged to the family of Hanuman. Okay, but Jumri was not allowed near the temple. Okay, but Jumri was not allowed near the temple, and Chiku did not bother about Jumri. Chiku did not bother about Jumri. Okay, and Chiku felt so proud. Chiku felt so proud. He felt so proud, and he decided to settle on a tree near the temple. He decided settle on a tree near the temple. Okay, and Jumri was moved away from the temple, but Jumri did not leave the town. Jumri did not leave that town. Okay, because she loved Chiku very much. Jumri loved Chiku very much, and she won the friendship of Chiku. Okay, so Jumri was not allowed near the temple. Okay, and Chiku was not bothered about Jumri, and Chiku felt so proud, and he decided to settle on a tree near the temple. Okay, and Jumri was moved away from the temple, but she did not leave the town. She did not leave that part of the town because Jumri loved Chiku very much, and she won the friendship of Chiku. Okay, clear? So students, in today's class I only takes this much part of this chapter. Okay, so I will continue this lesson in my next class. Okay, so now we will discuss some word meanings. Okay, devouring, D-E-V-O-U-R-I-N-G, devouring. Devouring means eating fastly. Okay, the monkey, the Chiku, he is eating bananas very fastly. Okay, and peel, he throw the peel down. He throw the peel down. Peel, P-double-E-L, peel. Peel means the skin of the banana. The skin of banana. Okay, the skin of the fruit or the skin of the banana. He throw the peel down. Okay. Next, climbed. He climbed down. He climbed up. He climbed down. That means to go up. Okay. He climbed the tree. He climbed the tree. Okay. Clear? Suddenly means to sudden. Okay. Sudden action or sudden movement. Okay. Clear? Next, wander means travel without purpose. That means he visited, or they are visited. Okay, they traveled without purpose. Okay. Next, temple. Temple means place of worship. Okay, place of worship. Okay, temple means the place of worship. Next one, that is settle. Settle means he decided to settle on a tree nearby the temple. That means he finalized his decision. He decided or he finalized the decision to settle on a tree nearby the temple. Okay. Okay students, I hope you all are understood this part of this lesson. Okay. So please read this part again and again. Okay, I will continue this lesson in my next class. Okay students. Okay, thank you.